What is the difference between a VPN and remote desktop? Working from home? You've probably heard people toss around VPN and remote desktop like they're interchangeable, but they're not. Picking the wrong one can mean slow connections, security risks, and frustrated employees. They both let people connect in order to work from home, but they do it in different ways. Choosing the right one matters for security, productivity, and making sure your team doesn't spend half their day fighting with technology. So what exactly are they, and how do you decide which one fits your business? A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is like a secure tunnel between your computer and your company's network. When you connect to a VPN, it's as if your laptop is virtually sitting in the office, even if you're at home or in a coffee shop or hotel. The VPN encrypts all of the data going back and forth, so hackers snooping on public Wi-Fi can't see what you're doing. With a VPN, you can access shared drives, applications, or printers on your company's network just as if you were plugged in at your desk. Remember, a VPN gives you access to the network itself, not to a specific computer. Remote desktop works differently. Instead of creating a tunnel to the network, remote desktop actually lets you control your work computer from somewhere else. When you log in with remote desktop, you're basically looking at your office computer screen on your home laptop. Every click you make, every key you type, it's happening on the office computer, not the device in front of you. This can be great for businesses that rely on specialized software or systems that are only installed on office machines. But here's the catch. Remote desktop doesn't make your laptop more powerful. If your work computer is slow, your remote experience will be slow too. So what's the real difference? VPN equals a secure tunnel to the company network. You're working directly on your laptop, but now you can access the files and systems at the office. Remote desktop equals remote control of your office computer. You're not running programs locally. You're controlling another machine from afar. Both can be secure, both can enable remote work, but they solve different problems. When should you use which? VPN is best when your business uses cloud apps, shared drives, or tools that employees can run directly on their own laptops once they're connected securely. It's generally faster and more flexible for modern workplaces. Remote desktop is best when your company relies on specialized software that only runs on an office PC or servers, or when you want to keep sensitive data locked down to the office rather than stored on employees' laptops. Sometimes businesses use both together. For example, using a VPN to connect securely to the network, and then a remote desktop connection to control a specific server or workstation. Here's why this matters for business owners. Neither option is better in every situation. It depends on what your business needs. VPNs tend to be more user-friendly, faster, and work great for cloud-first companies. Remote desktop gives more control and can be cheaper if you don't want to buy every employee a high-powered laptop. They just connect in their office workstation. But remote desktop can require more setup and bandwidth, and if your office internet goes down, so does everyone's access. So to recap, VPN gives your device secure access to the company network. Remote desktop lets you control your work computer from anywhere. One gives you the keys to the network, the other gives you the keys to a specific machine. The right choice depends on your applications, security requirements, and how your team works. To learn more about tailored IT solutions for your business, contact us today for a free IT assessment. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.